In this video, you'll learn how to insert the current date into any cell in Google Sheets using a simple built-in function. The trick is the Today function, which returns today's date automatically and updates itself every time the spreadsheet is opened. Here, we're using a sales data sheet, but the same steps work anywhere you want a date that stays current without manual editing. Start by selecting an empty cell, then enter the formula equals today with an opening and closing parenthesis. As you type, Sheets helpfully suggests matching functions, and today shows up with the description current date as a date value. Press Enter to confirm the formula and calculate the result. Instead of a normal-looking date, the cell displays 46,259.00, which looks confusing at first. That number is actually correct. Google Sheets stores every date internally as a count of days, so the value just hasn't been formatted yet. If this is making sense so far, a quick like on the video helps it reach more people who need it. Click back on cell J2 to select it again. The formula bar now shows equals today, confirming the formula is still doing its job behind the scenes. So the calculation part is done. What remains is telling Sheets to display that stored number as a readable date instead of a plain figure. To do that, open the More Formats button on the toolbar, the one labeled with the digits 1, 2, 3. A drop-down appears listing format categories such as number, percent, accounting, currency, date, and time. Each category changes how the underlying value is displayed, so pick whichever matches the kind of data in your cell. Here we want date. The moment you choose date, the cell switches from the raw number to a properly formatted calendar date. In this recording, it shows as 25/08/2026, though the exact day, month, year order depends on your spreadsheet's regional settings. The best part is that this date isn't frozen, because it comes from the Today function. It refreshes to the current date every time the file is opened. So in just 2 steps, you've added a self-updating date. Enter equals today, then apply a date format to make it readable. Thanks for following along, and if you'd like more quick Google Sheets tips like this one, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.